Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Navarre local and long distance movers near me. The most daunting aspect of long distance moving is ensuring the protection of your possessions. 3 Movers understand that if you do not wrap the delicate assets, they may break before they ever reach the truck. As a consequence, we have experts who carefully wrap each item before putting it onto the vehicle. We also realize that sometimes you must make last-minute choices, and you may need a pickup van at the last minute. 3 Movers always has trucks ready to suit your last-minute needs. We consistently fulfill deadlines, and our vehicles are always well-maintained and ready to go. We are always prepared to assist, whether it is a local or long-distance relocation. Like all other areas of life, we understand that relocating has its difficulties, and we are well poised for them. We go to the new houses, evaluate and measure the room sizes, inspect the things, and obtain the most acceptable quotations and estimates. Our charges range between $30 and $40 per hour, which is unarguably the best rate you'll find in Navarre. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Navarre moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.